Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how to replace the battery in my classic IBM ThinkPad T30. This is a great retro machine. I picked this up at a garage sale for around $30 with the charger, everything with it, and the case as well. Other than that, I didn't get no driver CDs or anything like that, so I had to install Windows XP myself, but I'm not worried about that. The battery is depleted in there. The lithium-ion battery cells do not last long at all. And so what I want to do is I want to at least try to change the Cmos battery out, because the Cmos battery is fried. It's dead. I'm not sure what type of Cmos battery it is. I don't even know what I'm getting into today, but I'm going to take you guys along for the ride, and we'll see what's going to happen. So you may have seen this computer in a couple other of my tech videos where I installed stuff on it. It runs Windows XP. It is a great XP machine from back in the day. I mean, for being as old as it is with the Pentium M4, I mean, it may not be pretty old, but, it does have a touchpad. I'm okay with that as well. So let me dive down into this and see what we can find first. It's right there. Now, in all those videos, I looked up how to remove IBM ThinkPad Cmos battery. Where do you find it? Everyone said, oh, you got to remove the keyboard. You got to do. It's right there. And, of course, it's one of those that you need to buy. Well, that ain't gonna happen. So, well, we're gonna see if we can get to it in there. I'm sure that's not gonna be that hard. I know the plug is probably somewhere up in it, which is probably not gonna be the best of thing, but I think I can get that. And that's a Panasonic. That was made by Panasonic, CR2032. Wow. Okay. Well, it should, without in doubt, it should take one of these little button cells. These cheap old button cells. The only reason why I want to get the Cmos battery working, the battery pack does not work, I want to get it to where it just boots fast enough so it doesn't have to do is chuck some air every time I unplug. Because I don't leave this laptop plugged in all the time. I take it around with me and I go plug it in another wall and sit wherever in the garage or wherever I'm filming it, things like that. So, okay, well, let me see if I can remove these screws or the one screw holding this together, and I'll see what happens, okay? Okay, Oh, no. Where did the heck did that plug into? Okay. Dude, you can just buy this whole piece, but I guess you don't really need it. Well, that's our battery, so I'm going to see what I can do about that to possibly, form this into that somehow with, tape. Maybe. This is gonna be the craziest hack I've ever done, probably. Gonna give it a try. There's two little flat pieces on here. They're like little tiny spot touch welds or whatever. So that's how I'm going to, when I retape this back up, I'm actually going to probably use a little bit of electric. I should get a nice roll of that special shrink wrap and put it on there, but I'm just gonna do it quick. Okay, here we go. They're both contacting, so that's good. Let me get this all kind of plug back in here and we'll boot it up and see what happens. Okay, here we go. I held the button down for 30 seconds. Cord is unplugged. Will it do it? Will it not give me the error? Oh, man. Now that I like to see. Now though, let's see if our date is right. It should say 10/08/23. Gosh, the Windows XP welcome song does not it screams that goodness that all of us computers lovers love. Yep, there it is. It is the 8th of 2023. The time's not right because it's actually, I think it's actually 2 and then 08. There we are. Cmos battery worked. I'm gonna have to run some file stuff on. Can't wait to do more stuff with this IBM ThinkPad T30 in the future. You guys have seen a couple videos on it, of me installing a couple things, and I want to say thanks for watching and thanks for going on with this crazy journey of replacing that little battery. I really appreciate it. And, well, if you liked the video, Give me a thumbs up. If you're really interested, press the subscribe button for more content. And I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.